Hi there, and welcome back to PMN Online. In this video, we are going to cover how to use the ratio indicator in TradingView. If you're looking to compare the performance of two assets, this tool can be incredibly helpful. Whether you want to evaluate the strength of one stock against another, or see how a stock measures up to an index, the ratio indicator offers valuable insights to guide your investment decisions. Getting started with TradingView. Let's dive into the step-by-step process to get you started. First, you need to select the assets you want to analyze. Begin by opening TradingView and loading the chart for the first asset you want to compare. For example, if you want to compare two stocks, load the chart for the first stock you're focusing on. Alternatively, if you're looking to compare a stock against an index, go ahead and load up the chart for that index. This initial step is crucial as it sets the foundation for the next stages of your analysis. Adding the ratio indicator. Now that we have our base asset ready, it's time to add the ratio indicator, a key tool for our comparative analysis. To do this, navigate to the Indicators or Studies tab on TradingView. In this section, you'll find a wide array of analytical options. What you're looking for is a specific type of indicator called a ratio indicator. These indicators come in a variety of forms, including both custom scripts and pre-built options created by other TradingView users. You might encounter choices like the ratio between two symbols indicator or the relative strength ratio indicator. Once you've identified the ratio indicator that suits your needs, simply click on it to apply it to your chart. This action incorporates the indicator into your view, allowing you to start comparing the performance of your selected asset against another. The indicator will modify your chart to visually display how these two assets perform relative to each other over time. This visualization can be incredibly powerful in spotting trends, divergences, or confirmations in price action, adding a new layer of depth to your analysis. Customizing your analysis. Remember, the use of ratio indicators can be tailored according to your specific trading strategy and the assets you're interested in. Take the time to explore the various settings and adjustments available within the indicator to optimize it for your particular needs. And as always, while these tools can enhance your trading decisions, combining them with thorough research and market knowledge will yield the best results. Hopefully, this guide helped you easily master how to use ratio indicator in TradingView. If it did, please let us know down in the comment section below. If you want more videos like this, subscribe to the channel PMN Online.